Howdy birds, I'm Mum Kess. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm going to do some chameleon paint on some laser paint in these and see what we can come up with. So I'm going to use a brush this time because I used a sponge before and it left sort of marks that I didn't want. So let's go inside here. Excuse how dismal it is right now. The weather is awful. Now then, shall I do a white gel or a clear gel or a black gel in that? Get rid of the excess. And then we'll try this one. There is some mermaid micas on that as well. I don't know if that's going to fit in there. Yes, it will. Ooh. That's good. And then this one. Should be cute. Whoops, went in a bit far. Cute. Now then, some white. Let's go in with these. Guys, calm down. Give it a little squeeze like that and any bubbles should just pop out. Squeeze. Add a little extra. And a little extra. And again. So, pop any bubbles. And we'll go in with the light. Should we open them now or leave it in a bit more? What do you think? I think they need a little bit more. It's almost there though. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. Can you see the laser effect? Should we zoom in on the laser effect? So cool. Love it. Yeah. Oh my god. Really cute. See, this would be different with a black background compared to the white. To be fair, I think I prefer it on the black, the chameleon ones. The black just seems to make the chameleon really work. It's pretty, but you can't really see the chameleon effect, can you, without the black? Can you see it? I can. It's like a purple blue shift, isn't it? Bring these forward so you can see them. So cute. It's adorable. You can see a little marking where I squeezed it when I shouldn't have. But yes. What do you think, guys? That's that for that little project. Thanks for joining me. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. See you again soon. Bye.